Hey guys, this is one of my for fun unboxings. Actually, I'm outside and it's quite sunny, as you can see. It's a little bit in the evening and I'm going to unbox this little package. This should be an SQ12 camera I ordered from Gearbest, and as you might know, recently I ordered SQ11 cameras from eBay, but they turned out to be fake. And right now I decided to order SQ12 and see what I get. So let's see what's inside. Nothing else in the package, so here's the box. SQ12 waterproof mini DV camera, full HD, super angle lens, whatnot. I guess it didn't travel very well, so nothing else in the box right here. The whiting is not the best, as you can see, but I just decided to do it right now. So here is the long leaflet with instructions and whatnot, hopefully in normal English. Cable to connect to your computer and I guess TV. Some other mounting brackets. Even two of these. Okay. And here is the camera. It comes with the housing, underwater housing, which is quite nice. And this is it. A really small camera. It does look like a real camera, I don't know. I'll have to test it to see if it's a fake one again or it's the real thing. Okay guys, thank you very much. Here it is. Very nice matte finish, by the way. That's it. Bye. So right now we're testing 720p. It's quite a sunny day. A little closer. And a bit of 1080p. The neighborhood dogs. And a bit of close-up.